Craving a meal that's both healthy and bursting with flavor? Look no further than the mighty Power Bowl. We're about to create a roasted veggie power bowl with avocado dressing that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body from the inside out. This isn't just a recipe. It's an invitation to embrace vibrant plant-based eating. Get ready to experience a symphony of textures and flavors, all while enjoying a meal that's as easy to prepare as it is delicious. So grab your apron and let's embark on this culinary adventure together. Before we begin, let's gather our nutritional all-stars. These ingredients are not just any ordinary items. They are the building blocks of a vibrant, healthy meal that will fuel your body and delight your taste buds. We'll be using fresh, wholesome ingredients that pack a serious nutritional punch. Here's what you'll need for the roasted veggies. These veggies are not only colorful, but also rich in vitamins and minerals. 1 large sweet potato diced. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They add a natural sweetness and a beautiful orange hue to our dish. 1 bell pepper, any color, seeded and diced. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C and other antioxidants. 1 red onion, diced. Red onions add a mild sweet flavor and are rich in essential nutrients. 1 cup of broccoli florets. Broccoli is a powerhouse of vitamins K and C, fiber, and numerous other nutrients. It adds a nice crunch and a vibrant green color to our meal. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that enhances the flavor of our veggies and helps in roasting them to perfection. Salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings bring out the natural flavors of our ingredients. For the base, this base will provide a hearty foundation for our meal. 1 cup of cooked quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber and gluten-free, making it a perfect base for our dish. 1 can, 15 ounces of chickpeas, rinsed and drained. Chickpeas are a great source of protein and fiber, adding both texture and nutrition to our meal. 1 cup of baby spinach. Spinach is packed with iron, vitamins, and minerals. It adds a fresh, leafy element to our dish. For the avocado dressing, this creamy dressing will tie all the flavors together. 1 ripe avocado, pitted and scooped. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They provide a creamy texture and a delicious flavor to our dressing. 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Cilantro adds a fresh, citrusy flavor that brightens up the dressing. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Lime juice adds a tangy zest that balances the creaminess of the avocado. 1/4 cup of water. This helps to achieve the perfect consistency for our dressing. Salt and pepper to taste. These seasonings will enhance all the flavors in our dressing, making it the perfect complement to our nutritious meal. Now let's turn up the heat and work some roasting magic. Roasting is a fantastic way to bring out the natural sweetness and depth of flavor in your vegetables. It's a simple technique that can elevate any dish. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This high heat will ensure that your veggies get that perfect caramelization, giving them a deliciously crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender. Grab a large baking sheet and toss those vibrant veggies: sweet potatoes, bell peppers, red onions, and broccoli florets, with olive oil, salt, and pepper. The olive oil helps in roasting, while the salt and pepper enhance the natural flavors of the vegetables. Feel free to add your favorite herbs and spices for an extra kick. Spread them out in a single layer on your baking sheet. This ensures that each piece gets enough heat and space to roast evenly. Overcrowding the pan can lead to steaming instead of roasting, which we want to avoid. Pop them into the preheated oven and roast for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until tender and slightly caramelized. Keep an eye on them and give them a quick toss halfway through to ensure even cooking. That's where the magic happens. The high heat transforms the veggies, bringing out their natural sweetness and creating a beautiful caramelized exterior. While your veggies are transforming in the oven, let's prepare the remaining components of our power bowl. This could include a base of quinoa or brown rice, some fresh greens like spinach or kale, and a protein source such as chickpeas or grilled chicken. Don't forget to prepare a delicious dressing to tie all the flavors together. A simple lemon tahini dressing or a balsamic vinaigrette can work wonders. By the time your veggies are done roasting, you'll have everything ready to assemble a nutritious and flavorful power bowl. This avocado dressing isn't just a dressing, it's a creamy, dreamy delight that will elevate your power bowl to new heights. In a blender or food processor, combine the ripe avocado, chopped cilantro, lime juice, and water. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding a touch more water if needed to achieve your desired consistency. Season generously with salt and pepper. Congratulations, you've created a flavor explosion. Set your dressing aside, and let's move on to assembling our power bowls. Each element of this power bowl is a nutritional powerhouse in its own right. These ingredients are carefully selected to provide a balanced mix of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. Let's delve into the health benefits they offer, starting with the vibrant and versatile sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, these vibrant orange gems, are packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, while vitamin C boosts our immune system, helping us fend off illnesses. The fiber content aids in digestion, ensuring that our digestive system runs smoothly. They promote healthy vision, immunity, and digestion. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can also help regulate blood sugar levels due to their low glycemic index, making them a great option for those managing diabetes. Chickpeas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, while fiber helps maintain a healthy digestive system. They keep you feeling full and satisfied while supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Chickpeas are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, and folate, which contribute to overall health and well-being. Avocado, this creamy fruit, is rich in healthy fats, potassium, and fiber. The healthy fats in avocados are monounsaturated fats, which are known to reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. It contributes to heart health, blood pressure regulation, and digestive well-being. Potassium helps balance electrolytes in the body, which is vital for proper muscle function and hydration. Quinoa, this complete protein, provides all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for plant-based eaters. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, which are necessary for tissue repair and muscle growth. By combining these nutritional powerhouses, we're creating a meal that nourishes our bodies from the inside out. This power bowl is not just a meal. It's a celebration of wholesome, nutrient-dense foods that fuel our bodies and support our health. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, improve your digestion, or simply enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal, this power bowl has got you covered. So next time you're planning a meal, remember the incredible benefits these ingredients offer and how they can help you achieve a balanced and healthy diet. Endless customization. Your bowl, your rules. One of the most beautiful things about power bowls is their versatility. Consider this recipe a template, a starting point for your own culinary creations. Feel free to swap out veggies based on your preferences or what's in season. Roasted cauliflower florets would be a delicious addition. Halved Brussels sprouts bring a delightful nutty flavor. Diced zucchini adds a touch of sweetness and a vibrant green hue. Craving more protein? No problem. Tofu cubes, tempeh, or a sprinkle of nuts or seeds would be fantastic additions. Tips for flavor harmony. To create a symphony of flavors in your power bowl, consider these tips. Don't be afraid to season generously. Salt and pepper are your friends. Experiment with herbs and spices. A sprinkle of smoked paprika, cumin, or chili powder can add warmth and depth of flavor. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice just before serving brightens up all the flavors. Remember, the key is to create a balance of flavors and textures that you find pleasing. Serving and storing your masterpiece. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, assembling our power bowls. Divide the cooked quinoa, chickpeas, and baby spinach among your bowls. Top with those beautifully roasted veggies and drizzle generously with that creamy avocado dressing. If you have leftovers, lucky you, store them separately in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This will help maintain the freshness and texture of each component. Your roasted veggie power bowl with avocado dressing is ready to be devoured. Embrace the power bowl lifestyle. This roasted veggie power bowl with avocado dressing is so much more than just a meal. It's a celebration of vibrant plant-based eating. It's about nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients while enjoying a symphony of flavors and textures. Embrace the power bowl lifestyle. It's a delicious and fulfilling way to eat. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life.